session and wait for my go.
Alright, hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Jonathan from Technical Limitless, here to empower your inner creativity. So keep watching. Okay, so today I'm going to teach how to do split screen using the split screen format if you want to split your videos. So let's head over to, first you need to import your videos from wherever you saved. So in this case, I'm going to import two footage. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag it out onto my timeline, and I'm going to do a split screen. So I'm going to go to here over at the right hand corner, and I can choose from basic. Go to basic, and you can choose how format that you want. Let's say you want to put 4 videos, you want to put 3 videos, or you want to put so the maximum you can do is 4, and if you can pick any design that you like. Let's say I like to do this design, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it over to my timeline. So now that you can see it's there's a sample here, and now what I'm going to do is that I'll go back to my media, right, and I'm going to drag it, right click and drag it over here, drag it over to the footage number 1, so you can see that, so you can see it here. Or if you want another split screen, so maybe I want to go this, and I'm going to import the footage. See here. So you could actually import a multiple footage inside. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to drag it here and I'm going to drag it here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. And if you want a bit longer, you can stretch. So you can see that this is the format that you want. So you can select any templates that you want. Just make sure you go to split screen, and here you can see all the formats. Unfortunately, you can't combine the two. You can combine the two footage together, but make sure you do split and export it out if you want a split screen from the same clip. Alright, that's all guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe, like, and remember, if you have any videos that you want to request, do remember to click on the Google Forms, and it will take you to the link.